in this video, you will be familiarized with the different operations and set. So we have union, intersection, complement, and difference of two sets. Okay. So let's start with the union. So when we say union, that is just simply the combination of all elements on the given set. Okay. So we use the symbol letter U to represent that that is a union. Okay. Okay. So for the example of the union, so find the union of the following set. So given set C, we have here elements A, B, C, and D. And set D, we have here elements A, E, I, O, and U. Again, when we say union, that is just simply the combination of all the elements. So if we are going to get the union of set C and set D, so we will just simply combine all the given elements. So therefore, the union of set C and set D, we will have A, B, C, D, E, I, O, and U. So next example, we have here set A contains 1, 2, 3, and 5, and set B contains 2, 4, and 6. So if we are going to get the union of set A and set B, so again, you will just simply combine all the elements. So we will have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next operation, we have here the intersection. So when we say intersection, that refers to the common element of the given set. So if there is common element between the two given set, then that is what we call intersection. So we use the symbol for or to denote the intersection of the given two sets. So let's have this example. Let's find the intersection of the following set. So same set will be given. So we will now find its intersection. So given again, we have here set C and set D. We will get their intersection. Again, when we say intersection, there is a common element between the two sets. So therefore, the intersection of set C and set D is A, since there is element which is also present to set D. Next example, again, same example with, so the intersection of set A and set B is equal to 2. So again, when we say intersection, that is just simply referring to the common element of the given set. Okay, next we have here the complement. So when we say complement, that refers to all elements in the universal set that is not on the given set. Again, when we say complement, so all elements in the universal set, but that is not on the given set. So we use the symbol A prime or the complement of set A. Okay, so that those are the symbols that we can use if we are going to get the complement of a set. So let's have the following example. So again, when we say complement, we are comparing the given set to the universal set. So elements in the universal set, but that is not on the given set. So if we are going to get the element of, or the complement, of set C, so set C contains A, B, C, and D. So what are the elements in the universal set that is not on the given set? So therefore, the complement of set C will be E, I, O, and U. Then, the complement of set D is that we have B, C, and D. Okay? Next example. So our universal set will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Set F, we have here 2 and 4. Set E, we have here 1 and 5. Okay? So if you are going to get the complement of set F, okay, again, when you say complement, elements or all elements in the universal set that is not on the given set. So nasa universal set, pero wala sa given set. So therefore, the complement of set F is that 1, 3, and 5. And the element or the complement of set E is that we have 2, 3, and 4. So that is for the complement as the operation of a given set. Next, we have here difference. Okay, so when we say difference of two sets, it means that all remaining elements on the first given set, excluding the common elements of the two sets. Okay, so we'll just simply have this equation for you to easily remember the difference of two sets. So when we get the difference of set A and set B, your answer will be only set A. Okay, okay, take note of this, that excluding the common element. So excluded po yung common element between set A and set B. Then when we get the difference of set B and set A, your elements or your answer will be all elements in set B excluding their common elements. So for example, again, we will use the universal set given a while ago, and the set are the elements of set C and set D. So if we are going to get the difference of set C and set D, we will have here elements B, C, and D. Okay? Now, when we say C minus D, your answer will be C only. It means we have here an element of A from set C. Again, excluding the common element of the two given sets. So, kaya hindi po natin isasama si element A na meron kay C. Okay? Next, we have here D minus C. So, the difference of set D and set C is equal to set D only. So, excluding yung common element which is A, so therefore we have here E, I, O, and U. Next example, we have here, so let's have the difference of set F and set E and set E and set F. So when we say, or when we get the difference of set F and set E, so we will have here set F only, excluding their common element. So therefore, we have here 2 and 4. Then if we are going to get the difference of set E and set F, so we have here 1 and 5. So since there is no common element between the two sets, so therefore we'll just simply copy the elements of the two given sets. Okay? So those are the different operations on